Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. I'm just in here recording in my little spa space because I wanted to show you guys my spa space. It's still like not 100% done. There's just so many things that I'm changing all the time, but that's just how it goes. But if you want to see inside my spa space, just keep on watching. So I am here setting up for a wax appointment. Right now I'm heating up the wax right here. And the wax I'm using is Beauty Image. I found out about this brand from the hair and nail school, the hair and nail show I went to. There's my back bar. I need to clean. I need to take down the Christmas tree. I need to organize a little bit. So yeah, I'm in my space today and we're going to be doing a couple videos in here. At the temperature where it's not, still has to melt. And these spatulas are great. They are silicone spatulas. I got them from Amazon. I also have the soft wax here too. But I'm not using soft wax today, so I need to just turn that off. I've got my cotton if I need a baby powder. This is the cleanser, this is the wax remover, and I also have aloe to help calm the skin down. My tip number one is whenever you do any kind of waxing, you always want to change out the wax stick. Because I'm going to be doing a bikini wax today, so we're going to change out the stick every time we wax. For sanitary purposes, and it's just to make the client make sure that you know what you're doing, and everything is all cleansed. So now we finished waxing, and now we're just going to clean up. Here's all the wax strips that we use and all the things. I got this little thing to put all the wax strips and things to throw away in this. Got that from Dollar Tree. Yeah, I like this remover. It works really well, and that's the cleanser that I use. Regular baby powder just to control of sweating or anything like that. And that's all for the wax today.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe always.
So here is my completed spa space. I talked a little bit about it on my channel. This is my steamer. I got this from Spa and Equipment. It's a really good steamer. I really do like it. It took me a little while before I understood how to use it, but once I got it, it was good. My bed I got from Facebook Marketplace from this really nice girl that was getting rid of this bed. I like it because I can fold it up and down like really easy. It's like one of the tattoo kinds of beds, but I have a lot of bedding, like comforter and what is it called? What is it called? Like a padding for the bed. She also gave me that ring light there. I got the other light from Amazon. I'll show you real quick. That's it there, and it has different settings on it, so it's a cool light. The flowers I got them from Amazon as well. My inspiration was Kristen Marie. I like her style aesthetic. What else? This here I got from IKEA. I wanted a bigger one, but it's perfectly fine. I thought I needed more space, but I don't. Sorry about the mess there. I have to put that stuff away. Over there's like my wax kind of corner. I have all my waxing strips, my oil remover, my cleanser. This is a jelly mask I got from the beauty show in Orlando. Those are my strips, powder, my aloe vera. These are items that I use in my back facials. Another light I got from Amazon that I really like. My Lord Ganesh to protect me. Lord Buddha to also protect me. My cousin gave me this candle. My other cousin gave me this one. I bought him from TJ Maxx. I have a singing bowl that I use. My license. And these are the products that I use here. I use a lot of Skin Script. I really like their products. The peel that I use is from Skin for Life. They are located here in somewhere in Florida. I can't think of the name, but I'll link it below. These are Farmhouse Fresh products that I like to use. I found out through them, this company, through the beauty show I went to. Same thing with Eminence. This is for a men's facial beard oil. There's my red light therapy light. I just use a little towel warmer because that's just what I use for it. A little skull bucket. When I had my opening, I put ice in him. I have different serums. I have got all different kinds of products. This is my tiny wax pot. It works perfectly fine because I don't do waxing that often, but it's okay. These are just other items that I use when I'm doing like dermaplaning or doing different facials. I'll use these tools to help get out any comedones or any impurities. My lashing tools are here. No one else touches them, so that's why they're there. They're clean and sanitized. I usually sanitize everything in my barbicide. My wax sticks. This I think I got from Shein. It's really cool. It's just a like easy sprayer, yeah. And then like you can just spray and clean. I have extra waters here, granola bars in case people get hungry. I got them there too. This is my cart that I usually put everything on, like when I do a facial. I'll bring my cart over here, and I'll have it here, and I'll have all the products and everything in it. And it's just easier. I have a metal one at home I'll bring in, and I'll get rid of that one. This little mini fridge I got from Facebook Marketplace. I have drinks in it. I have all my masks and enzymes in it. I have a bottle of wine in case of your client wants some wine. I have my service list, my business cards, this little spooky cute sign that I have. My place is still not completed like 100%. Like I hate that gap up there. I need to figure out how to cover that gap up there. I have Amazon boxes and I just need to like do something to cover it because I don't like that. So I've been in my space. How long have I been in my space? It's been a long little journey trying to figure out this entire journey, I guess you want to say. Everybody here is really nice. It's kind of like little salon loft spaces that we all rent out. It's really slow right now. I think everyone's still broke from the holidays and stuff like that, but I really hope that it will pick up soon. I'm putting my heart and soul into this. It's not easy putting yourself out there. I've had so many more negative people. I don't know why. And I get so many more people that just watch everything that I do. That's okay. Like a lady on TikTok said, they don't like you, but they watching everything you do. I think that's funny. It's the truth though too. Still gonna continue my fitness journey. Everything is just a struggle. And that's everything for now. I will go more in depth on what I do here later on. I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of my little studio space. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. This is a long journey. and we will get through it. Alright, everybody. Bye.
Have your back. We like all the same tracks.